A vitamin is an organic compound required as a nutrition by everyone. It cannot be produced by yourself and must be obtained from the food. Thus, the term is conditional both on the circumstance and on the particular animal. For example, vitamin C is for humans, but not for most other animals, and vitamin D are required in a human diet only in certain circumstances. And let's talk about his history. The value of eating a certain food to maintain health was recognized long before vitamins were identified. The ancient Egyptians found that eating some food would help cure night blindness. In 1749, the Scottish surgeon James Lick discovered that some food can help prevent surgery. In 1912, Polish biochemist Casimir Fox isolated the complex of micronutrients and proposed the complex be named vitamin. And this is the first time that vitamin has its own name. And let's talk about what kinds of the vitamins. It is about two of them. Vitamins are classified as either water soluble or fat soluble. In humans, there are 13 vitamins. 4 of them are fat soluble, and 9 of them are water soluble. Water soluble dissolve easily in water and in general are readily excreted from the body. Because they are not readily stored, constant daily intake is important. Fat soluble vitamins are absorbed through the intestinal tract with the help of fats. Because they are more likely to accumulate in the body, they are more likely to lead to hypervitamination than are water-soluble vitamins. And let's talk about what many kinds of vitamins. First, vitamin A, it can cure night blindness, hypercorrection, and keratomalacia. And vitamin C, it can cure scurvy. And vitamin D, it can cure arthritis and osteomalacia. And vitamin K, it can cure bleeding deafness. And this is our introduction to vitamins.